What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about my F80 M3, and it's going to be one of the last videos that I make on this car, unfortunately. For those of you who don't know, I have a Secure Orange F80 M3, which at one point was fully modified. I think that's the first video I've ever put out there. As of now, it's basically not modified at all. If you guys have seen it before, you know I used to have wheels, full exhaust. It was on E85, full bolt-on, but now it is completely stock. Back to 91, back to the stock tune. All of the aftermarket parts that I put on there are now gone. The only things that remain are the front carbon fiber canards, and the car is still on Swift lowering springs, and also the stud conversion with a little bit of spacers. But that's basically it on this car. I put everything back to stock and it's just looking OEM again. I do not want to get rid of this car, but honestly it's just been sitting. There's no point in the car just sitting here when I know I can use that cash for something else, maybe get another car. I don't know yet, we'll see. But I'm gonna be posting it up for sale soon. I was supposed to post it up for sale a few months ago, but I don't know why I didn't, and the market is kind of shit right now, so we'll see how it goes. I don't even know if it's gonna sell, to be honest. But yeah, in today's video I want to get a photo shoot on the car, which I'm actually going to be doing first. We're going to be heading to my friend Mikey's shop. He's just down the street from us. He just opened a sales and leasing company, and he's also doing detailing out of there, and he has like a nice shop with nice lighting and floors and everything. You guys will see once we get there. So I want to get all the for sale pictures in his shop. So I'm going to have my cousin Gore, who's a photographer, come down. He's going to be taking all the pictures for this car so we can finally put it for sale. It's kind of a bittersweet moment, but we got to do it. So let's hop in and head out. By the way, this thing sounds so disgusting without the exhaust that I used to have on there. I'm actually gonna have cousin George drive the F80 while I drive my F80 M3, which is parked right here. That way I can have him probably take pictures of this car too, because I need a few pictures of this. Might as well get it done at the same time. Alright guys, we made it to brother Mikey's shop. Look how nice this place looks. Hey brother Mikey.
How you doing, beautiful?
Onyx Motorsports.
Yes.
Guys, look how nice this place looks. All black. He's got that nice like hexagon lighting, so should look really good in the pictures. We're gonna wait for Gore to get here and then get some pictures. We got the photographer boy right here with his. How much is that camera?
Like 5-6K.
5-6K. My boy got a camera that costs more than most of y'all's cars. But he's gonna be taking the pictures of the car, and then he might take pictures of the blue car.
I got you.
Just so I can have some pictures. Hold on. Tell him where to park it. Wheel turn a little bit? Ankle. Alright guys, we got done with the pictures, but now we're just gonna go ahead, head back to the shop, and then I will get back to you guys. Alright guys, I don't know where I left off in the last video. I think we were getting pictures of the car to get it posted for sale, but I think that was like 6 or 7 months ago. The car's been for sale for a little while now. I got a buyer lined up. Hopefully obviously he buys it in this video. He said he's watched all the videos, so I don't know yet. We'll see. He's on his way here right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get him on camera or anything like that. But yeah guys, it's been like 6 or 7 months. The car's literally just been parked most of the time. I got it on the lift right now because he wants to check out the bottom of the car and make sure everything checks out fine. So put it on the lift. I'm gonna go ahead and raise it, and then when he's here, we'll get it all checked out and handle some business. So yeah guys, this is probably gonna be the last video I make with this car. If he buys it, it's gonna be bittersweet. I mean, he's from a different state. He actually flew out here, so he's obviously gonna be a serious buyer. Let's see what happens with the deal. I'll try to fill you guys in as much as I can. I'll get like a clip or something of it being driven away. I don't know if he's gonna take it today. I think he's gonna get a transporter to get it transported up to where he lives. We'll see about that. So I will catch you guys in a little bit.
I'm gonna get my seat right first.
Yeah, I'm short, bro. You gotta put the seat back a lot. There she goes, guys. The car is sold and it's leaving to his new home. Just be careful going down this driveway, though. See ya. goes. Ah, this is bittersweet. This is bittersweet, guys. That's one car that I genuinely loved. It's not gonna hit me for a little while that it's gone. What's up, guys? My name is Todd. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be introducing my 2016 F80 M3. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go over the mods that the car has. So here's my old lip. I hit something in the middle of the road. If it's heavy, it's good quality. Yeah. Damn.
That bitch is loud.
Definitely louder.
You got it up?
You got that bolt?
I got it.
There it goes.
Alright, take it out.
Perfect.
Oh, there's one more missing one.
If only there was a third person that can help.
There you go, it's coming.
That's what she said.
I'm tuning it back again to what it was before.
Bro?
Yeah, bro. I tune things, yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You tune my washer and
Sika's got.
that was it. Money shot. Oh, damn.
Bro, yours popped my eardrums, bro. Bro.
Oh shit!
This new front lip and splitter is looking way better. That's what the back end needs.
I'll show you what your back end needs.
Hopefully he messes something up and the airbag blows in his face. Our little cute showcase woman over here.
For fight.
My phone fell. Woo! It's not to you. We're gonna be wrapping my car in Christmas paper. The reason we're doing it is for like a cinema. Oh no! That's gonna swallow. For 12 cents a day, you can sponsor this child.
Christmas. One, two, three.
Merry Christmas!
I wonder what it is. Is it a new house?
We got the toys around the car. Gonna grab a nice thumbnail for the video.
Each elf can make 200 presents per day. Bro, what you think we is, man? You guys get 5 a day. We don't got all that time. This one right here, took a while to make right there. This is for those who don't appreciate YouTube videos. There's a lot that goes in. These boys here, they took 8 hours to put the wrap. All the gifts, by the time we made all of them, took about a week.
Rev it right here and then take off. Alright, take off.
My bad. I had to restart the car. I forgot to turn traction off. Do that again. All right, don't embarrass us this time, bro. I gotta. This is a big deal.
You guys like it? Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Take a picture. About 8.5 hours.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's too late. Let's go. How's it going, Santa Man? Shit, we here. We got the deer. We got the gifts. We even got some trees. You got it. You got it, sir. You got it. He's my coworker, by the way, guys. His name's Todd.